Good morning, good afternoon. The light is not so great. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fiona. It's another day. I went to sleep. My eyes are not so red. I went to sleep. Sorry, changing hands. I went to sleep super early, and I went to sleep. It was after I edited the vlog. So it was around about. Well, no, I uploaded that in late afternoon, and then I fell asleep. It must have been around 6 yesterday evening, and then I woke up around something to 4. My skin is extra moisturized. It is. You can't see. Anyway, it's bright, but it's very cold outside. It's like 9. I wanted to show you what I wanted to show you what I have this morning for breakfast, actually, what I do in this, now I'm in the hotel. I'm going to show you. So the first thing I had was, so you can see, I had a ginger shot. I bought quite a few of these, well, enough to last me. So I bought a couple of these, just to keep the body strong. And then I had, and I was drinking, this is finished. I wanted to just show you coconut water. And it's finished, and I was drinking that throughout. And I woke up, I got up about something to 4. Yeah, I think I got up something to 4. And then I had, it comes in a little, if you can imagine, so it's not big, it's small. Oatsu, overnight oats, chocolate, peanut, pumpkin seeds, and oats, of course, plant-based. And I had it. Was okay. I bought a few. It was okay. I just need to get some fruit, apples. I've got to, because I like to have apples in the morning. I'm over moisturized because I'm going outside soon. I like to have apples, an apple or banana, something in the morning before anything else. So I'm going to get some of those today. So today, I am. Let me move back to where I was. Today I'm going to Selfridges. It's early. It's probably just gone 9. I've showered and ironed my clothes and I'm ready. I'm going to Selfridges. I don't know if you've noticed something. Have you noticed something? I'll give you a moment to think about it. So, headphones. My headphones, about 2 weeks ago, my headphones stopped working. Not because they're broken, not because they were faulty. I've been using those headphones for 2.5 years every single day. And then I started wearing them to the gym, which I shouldn't have been doing. They were worn. I'm going to put a picture in of my headphones. Worn them to death, got my money's worth. Love those headphones. So I'm going to go and replace them. So I'm going to Selfridges because I want to get the same colour. And like John Lewis doesn't have any. So I'm going to go to Selfridges and pick some up because they have 2 in stock of my colour. I had the WH number 3. And I'm going to get the WH something 4. The noise cancelling is fabulous. Just block out the entire world. And I love that for me. So I'm going to be getting those. And so I'm going to go to Selfridges. I don't need anything else on Oxford Street. And then I'm going to leave there. Sorry, my thing is clicking. And then I'm going to leave there. I'm going to go to Whole Foods. I'm going to speak to myself. Before I go into Whole Foods because I don't have any discipline when I go into Whole Foods, and I just want to go and look. I'm just going to tell myself, Fiona, we're just looking. We're not doing anything else. Okay, you can buy some nuts. We're just looking. I'll get my fruit from Marks and Spencer's actually. We're just looking. We're looking. Nothing else, right? Whole Foods. And then I'm going to make my way back because later on I'm going to meet my friends. I cannot wait to meet my friends. We're going to Mildred's to eat. It's a vegan spot. They always go vegan with me when I come and visit. It's a group of us. We all know each other. So we're like on a WhatsApp. We're all on the same group. I've known these guys forever and a day. They're just good, wonderful people. So I can't wait to meet them. So I'm going to take you along. This vlog will not come out until Wednesday, and tomorrow's vlog will not come out until Thursday, for the simple fact that I know I'm going to get back in late and I'll miss my vlogging the time that I put the vlog out. And then tomorrow I'm traveling, and from really early in the morning until late at night. So just realised that means I have to edit 2 vlogs on the same day. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go to Selfridges.
Belsize Road.
Got my headphones, I'm really happy. Let's go. So I'm on my way now to Whole Foods. I'm going to jump on the bus, go to High Street Kensington. I'm super excited actually. I know it's probably super weird to be excited to go to a supermarket. but I haven't been for such a long time, as I said. So it's chilly, but it's not as cold. Probably get colder later. It's not supposed to rain, but we are in Blighty and anything can happen. Oh, look at that Adidas store. I don't need anything in there, so let's go. Let's find the bus stop. I don't even know where the bus stop is, and take it from there. See you at Whole Foods. High Street Kensington. I haven't been here for years. It's just a long street. It's a very fancy area. With, because you have Knightsbridge with Harrods and Chelsea. No, it's not Chelsea. Anyway, it's a nice area. I can't remember. But it is a very nice area. Clean and, clean and nice. So, Whole Foods it better be up here. Whole Foods, I'm hoping it is. Yeah, I did Google, but Google has been very wrong as of late, especially with times and when things are opening. So yeah, H&M. I don't need any clothes. I did buy a jumper though. What's this? Japan House London. Interesting. I don't think I can eat anything from here. This is, I've never seen this before. This is cool. Japan House London. I'll have to go in later. Have a look. I don't think I can eat it. Anything from, no, I don't think I can. Oh yeah, and I'm not allowed to have any, I can't even remember what's it called. My brain has frozen. Seaweed. That's what I can't have. Seaweed. Yeah. This is London. Oh, there's Whole Foods. There's Whole Foods. There's Whole Foods. When I get in, like a child with the excitement. When I get in, I'm definitely going to hopefully find something to eat. When I get in, sit down and eat. I used to always get the bus up that road, up in that direction. I didn't live too far from here actually. So yeah. See you in a bit. So, if I was renting an apartment, you know this would be in my ready to eat falafel. I'm going to go downstairs. There's proper sourdough bread here. Not that you can put your basket in the middle thing. I never use that. I never ever used that when I used to come here. So cool. Like proper sourdough bread, not wheat sourdough bread. Ooh. I think I'm gonna get celery and juices. So many things have changed in here. So there's no upstairs restaurant. I got, as you can see, warm foods. Yeah, all gluten-free, all vegan, mushrooms, sprouts. Oh my God, so British. So I'm gonna tuck into this and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel and chill until later. So yeah, bye-bye. Things I can eat that are gluten-free. I'm just waiting. I'm here, waiting for my friend. One friend is already working, a little bit late. But it must be, vegan.
Is this for the group?
No, Shazia's going to have to just...
Shazia's a flop.
Say it again.
Shazia's a flop. She didn't use Vic's first defence.
She should have took a ginger shot.
She boycotted Vic's.
Yeah. E.T. Want some sauce? Don't know if you want sauce. Let's tuck it. Slow mo.
Oh yeah.
It's nice. So I just left my friends. Had a good evening. Started a little bit late, but it was a really good evening. I'm waiting to just take the bus. It's raining. It's raining. I'm waiting to take the bus. Oh my god, it's raining. Rain, 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 rain. And I'm waiting to take the bus. Just looking out for the bus. I'm waiting to take the bus. Literally about 5 stops. 5 stops? No. Yeah, probably about 5 stops. Back up to my hotel. I'm leaving early in the morning. I've got to work out in my mind what time I'm going to leave tomorrow morning. And then, yeah, because I'm traveling. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I had a really good day. I didn't know that actually that dinner was actually going to, well, I didn't think the dinner was going to actually happen because one of my friends wasn't there. She wasn't well. So I didn't get to see her. But it did happen. It did happen. And it was really good. So yeah, I'm going to go and organise myself for tomorrow morning. Got to be at the train station 5 o'clock. So I'm thinking in my mind I need to leave about 4:30 because there'll be nothing on the road. Yeah, so I think I'm going to do that. That means I have to go and shower and go to sleep immediately. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.